Everyone, this is DJ from GarageFarm.net Academy, coming straight at you with another episode of CG Insight, fresh news from CGI industry. Today we're taking a look at some epic moves from Epic and Quixel, which has released Quixel Mixer 2020, an awesome application for texturing artists, and it's totally free. So let's dive right into it. 2019 was a big year for 3D painting artists, texturing artists. A lot of things were happening in the field. A widely used tool, Substance Suite, the company behind it, Allegorithmic, was acquired by Adobe, which was not very well received by many artists, and the direct competition of this being Quixel Suite, which was tightly integrated with Photoshop, lost the pace against Substance Suite. But it was rumored that Quixel was working on something to jump into the game, and indeed they have, which has recently been announced as Quixel Mixer 2020, introducing new features for painting with tight integration with the Megascans library provided by Quixel, which is one of the biggest 3D scanned assets library in the internet. It has also been released free for all the Unreal Engine users since Quixel and Epic Games have joined forces last year, and they are clearly aiming at providing a holistic environment for game developers to produce assets and games inside their pipeline environment, trying to cater all of the tools needed for that. And they are also offering some free tools allowing easy access to the Quixel Unreal pipeline. Let's have a brief look at how Quixel Mixer works and what it's capable of. There's a viewport that quite resembles all the other texturing applications like Substance Painter. Layer stack is quite similar to what you would expect. Like in Substance Painter, you can mix different layers of surfaces together based on the normals or displacement values, or you can paint your own masks, decals, and stuff like that. You can use the painting to modify albedo, normal map, or any other feature of the PBR texturing workflow. And it's quite intuitive, and the new awesome features that it didn't have before are the painting capabilities. So you can paint texture masks, textures directly onto the viewport, and you can also load your custom meshes, so whatever model you prepare. The only limitation right now is that Quixel Mixer is allowing you only for single texture sets for imported meshes, so you have to be aware of that limitation, but they declare that they are going to remove that limitation in the future releases. An awesome feature that Quixel Mixer is allowing is smart materials. There's a limitation right now that masking with painted masks is not working with the smart materials or grouped layers. I checked the forums, and the developers claim that they are working to resolve that issue, so probably in the future this will be solved. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell button to get notified whenever new videos come out. Let us know in the comments if you're a Substance user and you're considering switching to Quixel, or if you've been using Quixel before and waited for the features. Let us know what you think about the moves from Epic and Quixel. Are they epic enough for you, or do you think there's a catch to it? The software is still in beta, but it's free. It has some limitations, but already provides quite a lot of power to users, and it's free, so definitely check it out, download and play around with it. And see you in the next episodes of CG Inside.